a song by Sinach, Shout for Joy. I'm going to be playing in a key of C. And before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscription button to help us grow this channel. Thank you. So the song is actually in C, and then it modulates to D and then to E. So I'm going to show you the various chords, and then the progression is a 1, 5, 6, 4. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you 1, 5, 6, 4 in all the keys and how to modulate to the other keys. So shout for joy, King of Kings, oh, you have done great things. Oh, for you have done great things. We praise your name, great and mighty God. We praise your name, oh, great and mighty God. Alright, so this is chord 1 for C, C, G, and then C, D, E, and then G. This is your chord 1. You could play this way, your inversion. Right, now this is chord 5. This G, D, G, A, B, and then D. Alright, now this is your chord 6. A, E, A, B, A, E, A, C, E rather. And then this is your chord 4. F, C, F, G, A, and then you have your C. Now when you're modulating to the key of D, you play 6, 5, 4. So let me be in C. When you are on the 5th chord, you move. So this 6 for key D, this 5 for key D, and this 4 for key D, and then this is 1 for key D, chord 1. When you're moving to E, is the same thing. You play 6, 5, 4. So this 6 for key D, E. This is 5. That's your chord 5, and then this is your chord 4, and this is your chord 1. All right. So thank you for watching, and I believe these chords should be able to help you play the song. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.